You can find a lot of mid-range phones in the Nepali market right now, but which is the best phone you can buy? Today I'm going to talk about top 3 mid-range Android phones that you can't go wrong with. I'm Yankee and let's get started. The first phone on our list is the Xiaomi Mi A1, which we reviewed a while back. If you are after performance in the mid-range segment, get this one. The 14nm based Snapdragon 625 processor and 4GB of RAM yields in very smooth performance even while playing high-end games. And the best thing about this phone is it's an Android One device, and it has already shown the perks of having stock Android with the recent Oreo update. The new update has also enabled fast charging for its rather average-sized 3080 mAh battery. Adding to its pros are the dual 12-megapixel back camera, which takes one of the best bokeh images. However, the Mi A1 does not feature a taller 18:9 display and has an average selfie camera. If you are bothered by this, you can get the Huawei Nova 2i as it comes with a bigger 5.9-inch 18:9 display and a great dual selfie camera. The back also features a dual camera setup, making it the first phone in Nepal to sport quad camera setup. The dual camera setup on both sides assists in shooting portrait images. The result is top-notch as it produces photos with excellent contrast and details. Portraits from the rear, however, is not as good as the Mi A1. It is powered by Kirin 659 processor coupled with 4GB of RAM. For most of us, this might be enough horsepower, but for gamers, be prepared for some minor frame drops and lags. The 3340 mAh battery, on the other hand, provides 4.5 hours of screen-on time, which can be considered decent. The look is also another area where the Nova 2i flourishes with the minimal bezel and full metal jacket. Also, the new Aurora blue color is an eye candy. However, I personally prefer how the Samsung J7 Pro feels in the hand with its stealth unibody design. Also, the best thing about the J7 Pro is its 5.5-inch Super AMOLED display. It is by far the best display you can find on any mid-range smartphone. Although it doesn't offer dual camera setup for fancy portrait mode, but its single 13-megapixel camera is the best seen on the mid-range segment. The camera is great, producing images with high details, saturated colors, ample sharpness and acceptable dynamic range. Also, the low-light photography is good as well thanks to its wide 1.7 aperture. If battery life is something you're after, then 3600 mAh battery of J7 Pro provides up to 7 hours of screen-on time. Well, that's more than enough for me to get through a day of heavy usage. However, like the Nova 2i, it fails to dazzle us in the gaming department with its Mali T830 GPU. So that's it guys, these are the top 3 mid-range phones you can buy in Nepal right now. Each of these phones excel in their own domain, and we hope this video has made your purchasing decision more easier. If you want to know in depth about each of these phones, their full review will be linked in the description below. And if you like this video, give us a thumbs up. If you have any queries regarding any smartphone, drop them down in the comment section below and make sure you subscribe to our channel. Till next time, I'm Yankee, signing off.